Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm losing my hair. I'm losing my thread, African thread that I made. So stay with me. I want to change the look because the hair is now. I made this hair days ago, last week. So today's this Saturday. I'm losing it. I want to give myself another look. Maybe I'm going to make weaving. Maybe I'm going to give myself weaving. So please, when you come across my video, support me by subscribing on my YouTube channel. So you turn on your notification for you to be watching my videos each time I drop new video. You'll be the first to notify. Thank you very much. So this is how why I give myself this thread is to make my hair straight because the hair I have not put a lasso before. So my own way to protect my virgin hair to make it look softer, to make it look soft. So now I loosed the hair. Now you can see I put in my Indian hair cream. That's what I just put now. So I have already washed the hair before I loosed it. So this is my deep leave-in condition. My leave-in condition. It will help me more to help your hair more to soft. So when if you're having if your hair is a type that is too hard for you each time you comb, so you can go and get this India hemp and leave-in condition, any leave-in condition of your choice, to do that one, the one that, because this hair I'm not going to retouch it. I'm not going to retouch it. I will leave it like this. So guess how old are this my hair now? This hair is just 10 months. Just 10 months. So I'm done combing. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to pack it because I'm not going to plait the hair today. I'm going to pack it with this slobber. I'll give it to pack. Then till the day I'm going to weave it. Oh, so this is the hair. Oh, this is my hair. I'm so happy. I don't know that my hair is going to grow like this. 10 months old hair. 10 months. So this is it. It looks beautiful. I love packing my hair this way. Anyway. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, guys, and turn on your notification bell, please. I'll be dropping my hair journey in this channel. This is where I always post about my hair journey. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.